Is it time to buy or sell iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and deep analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of October in the year 2024, our system has identified iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.95. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and horizontal trend in the short term. Typically, this situation may indicate a favorable buying opportunity. However, if there is a breakdown below the lower trend line at $90.79, it would signal a strong sell and suggest a potential shift in the trend. The present 3-month trend indicates an anticipated change of approximately negative 0.713% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 2.09% to positive 8.94%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it forecasts a change of 4.81% over the coming year, with a potential return between 2.64% and 18.91%. This would imply a price range of $94.50 to $109.48 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond presents the headline: iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF downgraded from buy candidate to sell candidate following Wednesday's trading session. The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF price decreased by approximately 0.271% on the last day, Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, dropping from $92.32 to $92.07. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.774%, with a day low at $91.66 and a day high of $92.37. The price has seen ups and downs during this time, resulting in a loss of 2.52% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, volume on the last day increased by 1 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices, which may signal an early warning, slightly increasing the risk over the next couple of days. In total, 32 million shares were traded, with an approximate value of $2.95 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $101.64, while the lowest price was $83.13. Currently, the price stands 9.41%, or $9.57, below the 52-week high, and 48.76%, or $87.63, below the all-time high recorded on the 9th of March, 2020, when the price reached $179.70. The current landscape for the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF, or TLT, reflects a complex interplay of interest rates and economic sentiment. As of October 18th, the yield on the 10-year note stood at 4.08%, with the 30-year note at 4.38%. The Federal Reserve's recent actions, including a notable interest rate cut, are prompting speculation about the trajectory of bond yields and the overall investment climate. Market analysts are weighing the implications of these developments. The recent rate cut is seen as a potential catalyst for boosting asset values across various sectors, including bonds, real estate, and dividend stocks. This environment could enhance TLT's appeal, particularly as investors seek safer havens amid looming economic uncertainties. However, despite TLT's appeal, concerns about a black swan event have emerged, leading to a slight retreat in its price, recently hovering around $94. This pullback, alongside a surge in equities with the S&P 500 reaching record highs, highlights a market that's teetering between risk appetite and caution. In the short term, the performance of TLT will likely hinge on overarching sentiment regarding economic stability and Federal Reserve actions. If borrowing costs continue to decline, TLT could benefit significantly as prices rise. In the long term, TLT's characteristics as a low volatility investment make it an attractive choice for those prioritizing capital preservation, especially if economic headwinds mount and investors become more risk-averse. Thus, TLT remains a key player in a shifting financial landscape. The following signals have been identified for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $93.50 and $97.13. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, September 16, 2024, and thus far, it has declined by 9.14%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the exchange-traded fund should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 28 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 20 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 25 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond finds support from accumulated volume at $91.52. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund typically experiences good trading volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is regarded as low. Over the past day, the fund moved 710 cents, or 0.774%, between its high and low. In the past week, the fund has shown an average daily volatility of 0.739%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond is at $95.31. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond encounters its first support level at $91.52. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF a good investment? The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF presents several concerning indicators and is currently within a broad and declining trend. We anticipate that it will continue to underperform in the coming days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of this ETF. Based on minor weaknesses observed in the technical analysis, we have revised our rating from a buy to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of October, we predict that the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond will open lower, specifically down by approximately 3.6 cents, starting at a price of $92.03. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of any securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.